Hey, what's up? This is Unique back again, and I'm here to sing a little bit of Cry by Rihanna, and I hope you enjoy. Here we go. I'm not the type to get my heart broken. I'm not the type to get upset and cry, 'cause I never leave my heart open. It never hurts me to say goodbye. Relationships don't get deep to me. Never got the whole real thing. And someone can say they love me truly, but at the time I didn't mean a thing. My mind is gone. I'm spinning round, and deep inside my tears I'll drown. I'm losing grip. What's happening? I'm straight from love. This is how I feel. This time was different. Felt like I was just a victim, and it cut me like a knife when you walked out of my life. Now I'm in this condition, and I've got all the symptoms of a girl with a broken heart. But no matter what, you never see me cry. Thank you. Tell your friends, check me out. And there will be more videos coming up, so be on the lookout. And you can also give me songs that I may be able to sing. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.